Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to apply multiple themes in a PowerPoint presentation step by step. If we want to make our slides more creative and visually engaging, this tutorial is for us. Now, on Microsoft PowerPoint, for example, we already have 3 pages, and we want to have a different theme on each. All we need to do is click the page where we want a different theme, and then go to the Design tab in the upper part of the dashboard. Once we are here, we will see right away the different kinds of themes. All we need to do is right-click the theme we want. For example, let's choose this theme, and then click Apply to Selected Slide, so that only this slide will have a different theme. If we are on the 3rd page, for example, we can choose this orange theme and again click Apply to Selected Only, so that we will have different themes on different slides. This will allow us to have multiple themes in our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This tutorial helps us use and apply different themes across PowerPoint slides or sections to improve designs and the presentation flow. We can select, customize, and manage themes so our presentation looks professional and visually consistent. Now we know how to apply multiple themes in a PowerPoint presentation.